top of the morning, top of the morning. At LEGGO Life Coaching and Fitness, we understand that achieving your goals can sometimes feel like never a challenging waterfall. That's why I'm here, to guide you through every step of your journey. I will help you define clear objectives, acting as a steady stream of support and motivation, ensuring you never lose sight of your destination. I will teach you how to manage obstacles like procrastination and overwhelm, just like water flows around rocks in a waterfall's path. With my holistic approach to life coaching and fitness, you will not only reach the bottom of the metaphorical waterfall, but also emerge stronger, more confident, and ready to take on new challenges. Let's embark on this transformative journey together and make your goals a reality. Why do we fall in these ruts? I'm glad you asked. Lack of direction. Top of the waterfall. Just like water, at the top of the waterfall, people may lack clear direction and a well-defined path to reach their goals. Without a plan or a sense of where they're going, they can struggle to make progress. Number 2, procrastination and stagnation. Midway down the waterfall. Imagine water cascading down a waterfall, but getting stuck halfway. Similarly, people often encounter procrastination and stagnation that hinder their progress. They might delay taking action or become complacent, preventing them from reaching their desired outcomes. Number 3, overwhelm and burnout. The bottom of the waterfall. At the base of the waterfall, water crashes forcefully, resembling the overwhelm and burnout that individuals might experience when pursuing their goals. Without effective stress management and self-care, people can become exhausted and unable to continue their journey. Just as water eventually finds its way downstream, you can overcome these obstacles with perseverance, clear strategies, and self-care to accomplish your goals. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. #LEGGO.